Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. Today I will show you how to export a transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now go to top menu and click File, click Export, click Media. This will open Export Setting window. Under the Format drop-down, select QuickTime. Then under the preset, choose Custom if you don't see Transparency option. Scroll down to Video tab. Here find the video code and choose Apple ProRes 444 or GoPro Cine from RGB 12-bit with alpha. These are the format that support transparency. Now make sure render at maximum depth is checked and under depth select 32-bit if it's available. Once everything's set, click export and you will get high quality video with no background. And that's how you have successfully exported a transparent video in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.